Hey, this is so sad, my people. One popular Nigeria pastors, Pastor David, don kpai im wife. Pastor David Favour, e don kpai im wife. You can imagine even the name sef wey e bear. E don kpai im wife oo. Hey! Make una come closer, make una come lis ten to story. Story full ground as me and you dey here dey talk. What is dis? Im wife wey be special adviser to governor of Delta State, my pipu. Na her husband don kpai throway for corner right now. Hey! God abeg oo. Hey! See just come closer, we need to talk. As a single girl or a single lady, you just wan marry my sister. I no know how una dey do oo, but person like me, I no know, I continue to say it, I no fit deal with pastors. Pastors na the least. Na the least. I can't deal with them because you know why? Many people believe in them, and when you go dey there, you when you go dey cry, something you go dey inside pain, you can't even voice out because nobody will believe you, because if you come outside, go church, dey congregation like this, e go behave like innocent. You know, a lot of people don believe am, but they go feel like e no going to happen, like e no dey behave like, even when you speak am, nobody will believe you. You see, so this one join the reason wey make me say pastor na no no. Thank God say I don even marry. Even when I never marry, when I single, I talk am. I say people wey I no fit marry for my life na pastors, police people, soldiers, just name. If I remember the other ones later, I go tell you. Na people wey I no go fit deal with. That's it. Yeah. I no go fit deal with them. Musicians, yes, all those celebrity musician, like people like those Davido, Wizkid, I can't deal with them. Yes, because I no fit. My heart sef no go carry those heart attack wey dem dey carry. I can't even deal with it. So wetin happen, my people? Make we gist this matter the way e dey come. As you dey marry, dey look well oo. Hey! We go dey here dey talk, una go dey say wetin concern you. You no need to wait make something happen to you before you learn. You no need to wait oo. Pikin when e get sense, na when e see say something happen to somebody wey e hear, and no even hear, even if you no know the person, e hear am. Pikin wey get sense, e go pick am, e go use am. E go pick am to himself. Na so life suppose. But so many of una dey wait. Una go just sit down, una go wait. Person go dey tell una like this, una no go believe. Una go wait make that thing first happen to una before una go come think say, oh okay, na like that time you come wait make e happen to you. You no need to wait. That one na person wey e no get brain, no get sense, na im dey wait make something happen to am before e learn. Okay, wetin happen to this lady now? You can imagine somebody wey e kpai am so, call himself pastors. Hey! Wife. According to the news oo, dey say the husband lock im wife inside house. Husband lock am inside. E make sure say even before this one when e happen, e make sure say e pursue all the people around this woman. The friends, the family members, the well-wish people wey e dey around there, e pursue them, so that if e wan do something, nobody go dey there to rescue am. After e don do this whole thing finish, then e come dey say, okay, now you need to comot all your name. You need to put the man name for all the property, both the one wey you don acquire before the marriage, the man, everything to the man's name. The family no go fit enter their house. This one, before this one happen now, wey this RYP so, this woman say na the house sef na even raise the alarm. This woman dey inside house from morning till night, nobody know. The housewife come dey like, my madam dey house, but this one wey e no even call me, e no even talk to me, e no even, and e normal now. E no even talk, e no hear any sign, but she know say this woman dey house. Nobody talk. She gat to move, go to the woman's room. try to ask wetin dey happen, whether she dey okay. Na so e say she don dey knock for the door. Nobody dey open, nobody dey answer, nobody dey talk. E come dey like, dis one unlike her oo, wetin happen now? So na from there e say she come call the brother of the woman, one of im brother. Den e come say, see wetin oo, since morning my madam dey house oo, but I no hear from her. I no dey see any sign, I no dey hear any noise, I no dey hear anything. The man, e say the door sef even lock. E come tell im brother like dat. Na so dat one run come. As e reach, dey see say the door lock. Dey open am, the thing na im dey come use force enter. Den dey see say the woman sef don even dey comot dis thing, foam for mouth. E don go. Before dem say, make we rush am oo, something don happen, na im dem rush am go hospital. Before dem reach there, the woman already kpai. Na wetin happen? The man give am something to kpai am. Sometimes I just keep wondering, like, which women we dey see nowadays? Why will you allow yourself to be used to the ex ten t that you don't even have anybody around you? How? You don't even you say anytime dey just like, okay, make dem talk today, you go just feel like, the woman, even if anything wey the man dey do, the woman go feel like, na my husband na, you know dis women, na my husband na my pastor, so na my spiritual father also, so he dey pray for me, he dey see things more than I do. Chai! Sometimes you just fed up for dis whole thing. I keep wondering, person as I just dey now, man, God abeg oo, even God. But anyway, dis is not funny. But for me, I feel somehow, because I feel so pained to see that a woman, you can't even stand on yourself. You can't even fight for yourself. You can't even tell yourself, this is what I want. I no know. How una dey do am? I no know. You marry, no be, see, I feel dis whole marriage na name e carry oo. I no know how una dey reason am and how una dey do una marriage, but me, I believe marriage is just all about happiness, love. Give me peace, give me love, I give you peace and love. When I see you cry, I feel bad. In fact, I fit follow you cry too. When you see me cry, you see me follow me cry. That's it. When anybody dey dark, at least somebody is there to help to. That is what I know. I no know how una know una own oo. All this slavery marriage wey una dey marry, una need to just be careful, because who don kpai don kpai oo. Who kpai na im lose. At the end of the day, nobody dey need to sue to court. And dem don even arrest the man now. Den before you know, small time like dis, dem go release am. Na who lose? Na you. Hey! Fear all dis people wey dem go dey say every now and den, dem no go allow friends near you, dem no go allow anybody near, dem no go fear dem. Dey get plan. Dey get plan oo. Imagine dis man now don do all the whole thing finish, decided to kpai dis woman because he see say e no get use. You cannot even change anybody. I no know where una dey get dis mindset wey you can change it, or you can deal with it. You can't. I feel say dis woman see all dis red light since, e see am, but e decided to say, I will manage it, I will cope. Hey! God abeg oo, because I no know the kind marriage wey una dey marry. Na who dey single better pass una? Make una rest. Some people dey wey dem no marry, dem better pass you wey dey dat marriage wey be nonsense marriage, yeye marriage, wey you can't even play with your partner, you can't even joke with it, you can't even, like, how. It is well. May God Almighty give the family the heart to bear the loss. That's just all. Because I no understand. I no just know. May Ajato so rest in perfect peace oo, because imagine dis beautiful woman like dis don go like dis, just because of wetin people go talk. If I comot for dis marriage now, dem go laugh me. If I comot for dis marriage, people go do dis one, people go talk, people go do dis. Na who send people? Na who be people? You no go focus for your life first, you no go save yourself first before thinking about people. It is well.